So in this video, this is our main software, you can see here. Okay, and I'm recording this video on 19th, you can see here 19 July at 9:25 morning. Okay, 19 July. I'll just run this application here. You have to just double click on this, and you'll see this window, black window, where it is connecting to our broker. You can see the things, how it is getting downloaded. It is connected and it is getting downloaded. Okay, so it's all downloaded and it is connected to our Excel sheet. This is the time, 9:26 morning. Okay, once this is connected, in background you can see Excel is opening automatically, and you can see this green. Okay, now it is getting connected, and once it is connected, it will show the data. Okay, it is connected successfully. Now what I'll do is I'll just minimize this window. Okay, I can see this is our dashboard where you can set the trades, and here you can see it is connected. Once it is connected, it will download the instruments. One by one instruments it is downloaded. Nifty futures, bank Nifty futures, and Nifty bank Nifty call options. Everything it is getting downloaded. You can see it is subscribed. Now this is the data where we use this data for calculation purpose. Okay, these are the main datas which we use to generate the buy and sell levels. Okay, I'll minimize this, and you can see market watch. This is the market watch. Here you will see all the live price, open, high, low, close price. Okay, these are the future price. This is the bank Nifty futures. These are the call options. Like this you will find all the data. Okay, open, high, low, close, LTP. This is the LTP. You can see how it is getting changed. 749. Okay, now it is 749.75. Now it is 751.50 paisa. Like this it will keep changing every second. These prices will get updated. And this is the breakout level. These levels will be updated at morning 10 o'clock. As you can see, the time is 9:28. So these prices are all showing blank. Once if it is 10 o'clock, all the prices will get updated. And this is the safe entry where you can see all buying and selling levels gets generated once the market opens at 9:15. But we suggest to use this strategy after 10 o'clock. Means after first our breakout strategy, you have to prefer to trade in breakout strategy. Later you can see this safe entry strategy. You can see all the buying and selling levels, open, high, low, close data you can see over here. Okay, and this is the buying levels, this is the selling levels, this is the LTP. These are the targets for selling. Same way for buying also you have target 1, target 2, target 3, and stop loss. This is how it will work. You can see all these call options and put options levels. This is for safe entry. I'm repeating this. This is you have to use after breakout strategy. Once the trade is done in breakout strategy, second trade you can take in safe strategy, safe entry. Okay, you can see all these things still it is blank. Now what we'll do is this is the market watch. I'll try to pause this video for some time, and again I will open this video at 9:58 so that you will get an idea how the prices levels will start working. And these are the columns where you can fill for execute the orders. Here everything it is showing wait. That means it is waiting for the strategy to execute the orders. Okay, see here everything it is showing. Now this is the order book where you can find all the trades. Whatever trades execute automatically, that will be registered here. From this market watch it will connect, and here you have to set this on. I have already set the data today. Once I will click on, all the orders will start. This is the strategy list. This is the set to trade. Here you can set which strategy you want to trade. I will set it for breakout strategy now. Okay, as I said, first we have to follow breakout strategy. So I selected breakout strategy for trading, and you can see here there is no entry levels. Once if it is after 10 o'clock, I will activate this. Okay, I'll make it on now. I'll pause it for some time. Yeah, here you can see now it is 9:58 time. You can see all the breakout levels are still blank. Okay, this target one some values are showing. This will be changed once the 10 o'clock time changes. it will update all the buying and targets, selling levels, everything will be set here. Okay, these are all automated. There is no need for human intervention. Everything is automated. You can see 9:28 now it is time. Once if it is 10 o'clock, I'll show you how it will change. See here, these data are getting downloaded at with time wise. Okay, as you can see here, it is still getting time. I am waiting for another 2 minutes, so that once the prices updated at 10 o'clock, these levels will automatically start here. I am just waiting here. So here you can see 9:32, 9:45 data is loaded. I am waiting for 10 o'clock data. You can see all the things are showing blank now. We'll wait for some more time. Now you can see it's a time 10 o'clock. Okay, once it reaches 10 o'clock, the prices is getting loaded here. You can see it is fetching all the data. Okay, this is the 10 o'clock now. Okay, here what I'll do is now it is uploaded. You can see here all the buying levels, selling levels are loaded exactly at 10 o'clock. Okay, you can see everything. It is showing near our buying and selling levels. You can see all futures, it is showing sell levels. What I'll do is I'll just on the live trading here. Once I set all the live trade here, you can see this wait option is there. It will keep changing. Okay, set to trade we have already set to breakout levels. You can see how live it will go now. Okay, these are all active. Call option sell call is there. Now you can see bank nifty futures all, it is sell active, sell call is getting activated. You can see here all the orders executed. You can see nifty, bank nifty orders getting executed. You can see all nifty, bank nifty orders are getting executed continuously. You can see how the market is placing the orders. Call options all sell call plus futures, it is making a sell call. Okay, these are the orders from broker, and here you can see this is the trade logs. In this Excel you can see the trade log. These are the trades executed, and you can see the MTM, it is live MTM, it is showing 300. Okay, this is how it will work. This is the breakout strategy. You can see all bank nifty futures sell call and call up put options. Here you can see all buy call is generated. Okay, so this is how buy call is generated. Same trades we can see in the broker terminal also. Here I said one moment, yeah, here you can see all trades are getting executed. You can see the time here 10 o'clock 2 minutes. All nifty futures call options is selling activated, futures is also getting sell call activated, and put options all buy activated. You can see orders here continuously placed. This is how it will work. So what I'll do is I'll pause this video for some time. Now it is 10 o'clock 2 minutes. Okay, I'll pause this video for some time. After 1 hour, maybe by 11 o'clock again I'll try to connect it. Okay, now I'll try to pause this. Yeah, as you see here, now it is 11 o'clock. Just minimize. Now it is 11 o'clock 1 minute. You can see the MTM, it is showing around 23,700 profit. Okay, so this is how it will work. I believe you got an idea. You can see here all these trades executed by 10 o'clock, and you can see all put options buy activated, call options all sell activated, and futures sell activated. You can see around the 22,000 profit is running, and we'll just try to run this algo till 3 o'clock, and later we'll see how the things will work. Okay, you can see now 56 points nifty down, 70 points futures next contract down, and bank nifty futures also 160 200 points kind of thing down. And these are the put options. 291 we had a buy, now it is 339. Almost first target is done, second target is 378. Okay, you can see there same way of 351 buy, 320 buy, and 639 buy was there, and now market price is 757 LTP. You can see the difference after from buying levels, how the market put option prices all went up. This is how it will work, and this is the main sheet where we fire the orders. Now you can see 19,000 it is showing profit. So let's see. Now it is 11. You can see up to 11 o'clock also trades are executing. Okay, I'll try to just make a short video for this. I'll just cut this video and again I'll post after some time by UOD, maybe after before 2 or 3 o'clock we'll try to resume this video. Okay, you can see all the things. It is very simple thing, and this is a one more window where you can see all the targets which are all hit. You can see this is the logs. In the end of the video I'll show you the detail. Okay, I'm pausing now. One moment, I'm just close this. Yes, I'll pause it. Yeah, now the time is around 3:20. Okay, here all the orders. Now you can see the MTM also around 41,000 something profit. You can see 40,000. It is showing the profit here, 40,470 rupees. This is how it will work. And this is the logs. You can see what exactly is happening in the background. You can see closed on reaching the target, move to stop loss. That means once the order is executed, entry level, this will show the entry levels, like what is the logs, what the behind the software, what it is running. Okay, you can see the logs. Okay, closed on reaching target, closed on reaching target, closed on reaching target. See, all the targets are reached, so this position is been closed. If you like our software, you can purchase this software, algo trading software, from this website. This is Excelalgotrader.in. Okay, you can click on buy now. This is the buy now option. Once you click on buy now option, click on Excelalgo trading software, add to cart. The price is, we are running at discount price at 4,999. You can just click on add to cart and you can continue for the payment. Once it is added, you can click this. It will take you the payment link. From there you can make a proceed to payment. Once this process is done, you can put your details here, name, phone number and email ID. By that you can place the order and it will take to your UPI ID. From there you can make a payment and you can download this software from here. Okay, once you download, we have a separate article here. From here you can use the tutorial to how to install. All the details you can find here. I hope this video is useful for you. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.